Everyone that how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income. Whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital art flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So all you have to do, first of all, is open your browser and dive into payhub.com. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have features. About sales, we have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, membership, physical products. On group, we have store builder, payments, VAT and taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have here term, as you can see. We have your customers, pricing, blog, marketplace. So about pricing, we have here free forever. As you can see, it's 100% free. So we have here all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. All you have to do is sign up. So to get started, you have to write your email here. But if you have an account, all you have to do is click over login like that and find your account. So this is the homepage. Welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and get up to momentum. So we have here dashboard, as you can see. Then we have here products, add products. We have here analytics. Have your analytics for all products during this month. Have daily views, have daily sales, and about marketing we have here campaigns, run sales, affiliate, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, and more. Then we have here customers. So you can see we have here subscribers, email updates, sales reports, followers, and other things. About we have here also notification or chats. We have your account, settings, store builder, free library, explore marketplace, logout. Can use Payhip as create mode, customer mode, as you can see. So this is the 3 steps if you wanna sell a product. First, you add your first product. So all you have to do is click over store here. You click over launch your store builder. Then you add your first product. So we have your digital products, sell ebooks, software, and other files. Have your cars, sell your cars. You have your membership, look exclusive content behind a paywall. Then we have your physical products, sell clothes and other physical goods. We have your coaching services, sell your coaching services. Bundle, we have bundle multiple products for sale. So we click over digital products, the one we want. So all I have to do is click over upload product file, write your title, for example product, choose price you want. So for example choose 15 $50. So you upload a product image. All you have to do is dive into canva.com. As you can see, we have all various things. So I have here an account. It's for free. All I have to do right now is click over customer size and click over 1920 pixel. Then you write the image you want here. So for example, let's choose one picture here. We have here presented by Adeline Palmerston. You can delete it. You can also do this one and write what you want. You can choose the color, as you can see here. Notes. You can add a page, duration, timer, page. As you can see, you can add comment. Also, you create view, present full screen, and we have other thing here. If you want to share it, all you have to do is click over here. So we have your present. So what you have to do is download it and upload a product image here. Here we have a description for your product. So if you want a great description, all you have to do is dive into chat. As you can see, you can just write so you can see this is the description. All I have to do is copy this one and paste it here. Then you click over visible, everyone can see this product, so for sure this one. Then we start. So all I have to do is click over add product. So the first step is done. So right now all I have to do is customize store and click over customize design and modify the things you want, like color and other thing, and you can share with your friend the products that you have. And then the last step is set up checkout. As you can see, you have to do is click over here, set up checkout. You have your account settings, edit your account details here, such as payment details, name, dollar limits, etc. We have your start, payment details, and invoices, taxes, shipping, advanced settings, login settings, developer. We have here you can use PayPal account or Stripe account. First, we have please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. You can just link PayPal account or Stripe account to get started with Stripe payments. Click the button below, accept payments with Stripe. Then you choose default currency, as you can see. So then statement description will appear on your customer's bank statement. They should recognize it's you. Then you write here enter statement description, then save sentence. So this is the last steps. So you've learned how easy it is to create and sell digital products on Payhip, from setting up your search, marketing, your creation effectively. Now it's time to take action and turn your passion into a profitable businesses. With the tools and strategies you have gained, you can confidently navigate the world of digital sales and build a sustainable income stream. Don't wait, start your journey on Payhip today and watch your dreams of digital success become a reality. Your creative empire awaits. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.